lovely flowers, it's me Nia with this Xquisite Floral Design and Events, and today we have an order through DoorDash. If you are a member, which I hope you sign up, I'll tell you how to join DoorDash and what to do to make it profitable. So anyway, we have an order for today from DoorDash, and all we're going to do is, so I'm going to make it. So anyway, this vase is, so this is going to continue, since I have an order for DoorDash and I have flowers for our Trader Joe's series and centerpieces, we're going to use, I bought this from Trader Joe's yesterday. It is so pretty. It's not showing the beautiful colors that it is, but it's like a peach, hydrangeas, or like a green, and then it has rice flowers in it, and these daisies. It's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous combination. So anyway, we're going to use this to make a beautiful bouquet, and we'll definitely be able to make about 2 of them. So anyway, let's get started. I think I paid, I want to say $12.99 for this at Trader Joe's yesterday. So, oh, this to me is so pretty. I liked it because of the peach carnations that are in it. So anyway, we've got our square vase that we did our tic-tac-toe on. Hopefully you guys seen a video on that. Again, if you're a member, please join. If you're not, if you're a member on my channel, I'll show you the definite way how to do tic-tac-toe, or you can go through back some of my videos and figure that out. So you guys all know that whenever I begin something, I start with my greenery. And so now we're going to use this ruscus. So it's ruscus and baby blue or spiral eucalyptus that's in this. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the ruscus stems a little bit short. I cut that one a little bit too short. A little bit shorter. And I'm just going to stick them in the water. And then we're just going to go all the way around. And so we got that in there into the water. Make sure we go all the way in the water. I'm going to have to put a little bit more in there. Then we're going to take our baby blues. I hope you guys can see this. It's giving out bad shadows, but we're gonna cut. Let's go up a little bit more so that you can see me better. Okay, so we're gonna cut and toss that into, I'm gonna take off. And what else? We have a couple of more. I'm gonna just cut out another one. Stick it in, and I just cover all the perimeters with everything, so that looks pretty good. I'm going to take my hydrangea. I'm going to cut that. I'm going to remove, I think I cut a little bit too big. I'm going to cut it, and I think I'm going to make her my focal, but I'm not liking these big. I think I'm gonna leave that right there. So we have that as my focal. I'm gonna take my 3 roses. I'm gonna put her, oh, these are so pretty, you guys. Look at these roses. Put one right there. I think I'm gonna have one coming up kind of up. I want us to sit up a little higher right there. And then I think I'm gonna have one more kind of clustered right in front of you guys, right there. Now I'm gonna take my carnations. I just want to bloom them just a little bit. I'm gonna stick it dead in the center. Oh, you guys can see that. And then I'm gonna stick another one right here. Yeah, we're gonna put her right there. Then I'm gonna put this coffee bean. Well, you know what? Let's do I have one more carnation. Let's grab this carnation, and I'm gonna put her over right there. I want this to stand up a little bit more. Now we're gonna take, I think this is not chamomile. I think this may be daisy mums. I have to look up the name of them. And I'm just gonna cut this. I'm just gonna cut it, and then we're gonna have these come kind of out. I think I only got 3 stems. And put it right there. And I kind of cut this one. And we're gonna kind of put right over on this corner, and probably I'm gonna put another one right in here. Uh-oh. Okay, now let's see. I think I'm gonna take this one out and I'm put it in the center, and I'm going to add this one right here to this side. Yeah. Now we're gonna put in all of our fillers. Ooh, look, let's put, so this, oh, this is gorgeous. Let's just cut. We're just gonna cut long strings of it, and we're just gonna stick them into like spots that we see that are kind of hollow. Oh, I put that in the back. Okay, and we got quite a bit of this, so I'm just gonna cut it off of its, I'm gonna cut some off, and I'm probably not gonna use it all, because even though they did give me 3 stems of it, I'm not gonna need it all. I'm gonna tuck some right in there. I'm gonna tuck some right in the center. I feel like, you know what, we're gonna take this out and we're gonna put her, I feel like my center is not giving what it needs to give. You guys see, now it's giving what it needs to give. And I'm trying to give it a round look. I'm gonna put another wax flower right there. I want my wax flowers to kind of be out and present, to let everybody know. And then we're just going to take our white coffee beans and kind of add these in at the end. Have them. 1, 2, stick it right there, and 3. Okay, so as we can see, she is a beautiful, she will make an amazing centerpiece. Love, love, love. All I would probably do is kind of, you guys know me, I was trained in 2025, so everything has everything was always tight. And the new look, which I want to go to Los Angeles flower school and try to learn how to break my habit of what I learned so many years ago and taught myself. But that is basically it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then if you already subscribed, think about joining my my membership. I think it starts as low as $6.99 and goes all the way up to $24.99. In the $24.99 one, you get to have a monthly conversation with me. I can help you figure out things if you just want to talk to me, and just talk to me, because I know a lot of people always want to talk to me. So anyway, you guys have a nice day, and bye.